And hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. The name of this broadcast is Fast Track to Service Repair HVACR. I'd like to present an organization called PHCC. That's the Plumbers Heating Contractors Foundation. And the PHCC Academy. They have a number of courses that they provide. The one I'm going to mainly be focusing on is the Fast Track to Service and Repair HVACR. But they do have a number of courses. They have a workforce readiness course. They have a pre-apprentice course. The one I'm going to be focusing on today is the Fast Track to Service Repair course. So they also have an apprenticeship course, and these courses are available for plumbing and HVACR industries. So this is where I would like to begin is on the Fast Track to Service Repair, because I feel like this would be more interesting for you all as viewers that I know are in the industry or looking to get into the industry. And this course seems to be a good option, a good opportunity for you all looking to get into the industry or that are already working in the industry and would like to enhance your knowledge on the HVACR side or the plumbing side. This is a good opportunity to be able to do that because it offers this training course offers flexibility with your schedule because it's all online. And what they do is with this fast track training, this course, all of these courses were formed by other service contractors. So they train technicians to be more productive and able to run a service truck in record time with PHCC Academy's Fast Track to Service Repair HVACR course. This revamped program, originally developed by Quality Service Contractors, QSC, gives participants focused and timely service and repair HVACR training. It's designed for contractors by contractors. Like I said, this comprehensive entry level training is targeted to the employees who do residential or commercial HVACR service. Uh, they offer year-round open enrollment, and that's available so employees can, or technicians, contractors, they can begin today just by going to the site. And I'll leave a link for that site in the description below. So be sure to check the description below so you can go to the link and check it out yourself. Because it's best that you see that you're getting informed with this information. So it's best for you to go check it out to see if it might be a good fit for you, because this might be a good opportunity for some of you out there. Um, they also offer scholarship. The foundation offers a scholarship program, so you can also talk to them about signing up for their scholarship program as well. Um, the the courses, from what I've read, the courses range between $2,000 to $2,500 a year, depending on the course that you take. This fast track course, students study at their own pace as their work week permits, with most students finishing in 9 to 12 months. So they estimate that most of their students are finishing up within 9 to 12 months, and that's studying at their own pace. The course includes 34 modules, critical for the success of today's HVACR service and repair professionals. Topics include safety, customer service, basic business skills, and more. The Fast Track Service and Repair HVACR was made possible through generous support from PHCC members, manufacturers, and industry partners. And right down here, you can see they have an expected completion time of 12 between 12 to 18 months. On the fast track program, they estimate that you can complete it within 9 to 12 months. So that's not bad. Um, the way that you would be able to find out more about these courses is by going to this link. Once you go on their website, okay, go to this link, State Chapter Partner Contacts, and this link will take you to their state chapter partners. They have a full list listing every state and the contact's name. Okay, so you could get the just look up your state. If your state's not in there, they also have an email for all other states. Okay, so if your state is not on this list, you can go to this email and contact them to find out if there's a chapter close to you, or if they're going to offer to other individuals that may not be in those states because each state has different requirements and stuff, where there has to be an active chapter in that state in order for you to get certified and or your if you're an apprentice for your apprenticeship to be, you know, accept the PHCC hours or credits, then uh, you have to find this out, and you can only find that out through your state to make sure that they have a chapter in that state. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Um, but let me go back to the courses, and yeah, it's like they have four four courses. Okay, the work readiness, the pre-apprentice, the fast track service, and the apprenticeship. Okay. So if you're just beginning and just trying to get a feel if industry is for you, or if these industries are for you, the plumbing and the HVACR industry, if you're looking to do that, you might want to look at the pre-apprentice program. Um, they'll give you an in-depth instruction to plumbing or HVACR, including definitions, customer service practices, safety, science and math, systems, products, and troubleshooting. So that will give you a feel of what the industry is about, what you would be working on, stuff like that. And that's mainly if you're just thinking about getting into the industry, that might be a way to go about it. If if you are in the industry and you're looking to broaden your career, or add more offer more options to your customers if you're independent, you might want to look at the fast track to service repair. That's two courses either on plumbing or HVACR, whatever you're into. They're going to focus on safety, customer service, basic business skills, so your employees can learn the best practices in providing timely and top-rated service and repair. So this is something for those that are already in the business pretty much and looking to broaden their uh, their area, kind of like expand the business or to increase their knowledge in the industry that they're presently in. So, that's definitely something you might want to look into. And then they have an apprenticeship program, which is already for people that are already in an apprenticeship, and your credits from PHCC would be able to transfer to your apprentice card, and give you those education hours, okay, on top of your work hours. So that's some helpful information. And like I said, I'm going to put the link in the description below. So please check that out. And then when you get that link, then you can go contact your local chapter, find out more about their payment plans and their tuition fee and stuff like that. And just kind of look into it a little more for yourself, investigate it a little more, and by all means, if anything turns out from it or you find anything else out, reach out to me in the community section and comments and or through email and let me know, how it went, what you experienced, because I'm pretty curious about how others are doing uh, through watching this content. And I always love to get that interaction. So I'm gonna wrap it up, but first I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'd like to thank all the channel members and all the website members. I appreciate your support. Thank you all for watching. Please take care and everyone stay well.